Binance how you can buy low and sell high and make a very huge profit. You can start this with as low as 5, 10, 15 or $20 and turn that $15 or $20 to $100 or even more. Okay, so all you just need to do, make sure you have a verified Binance account and navigate yourself to this very phase I'm going to talk about. Okay, so all you just need to do is to make sure you have a Binance account, open the account, and it will take you to your dashboard. Okay, if you take it to your dashboard, all you just need to do is to watch a lot of coins running up and down over there. But there's one thing I want you to focus on, and which is looking for a coin that has already been very low. Okay, so all you just need to do now, you see, let me show you this. You see this very coin? You see where it is now? You can buy this one now. Buy at a very low rate and sell high. Let's see it 1 hour's high. Let me see it 1 hour's high. It has been going down for like a long time now. Wow, its 1 hour's high was over 29 USDT. Let me see the 4 hours. Okay, 29. Let me see the 1 day. Okay, 29. You can see now, you can just buy this and hold it for like just maybe 24 hours, 1 day, and see how you will get surprised over it. Okay, so all you just need to do, buy this and say hi. Okay, and let me check another coin for you again. You can as well buy high. If you notice, if you're a trader on this very platform, if you notice, you can see that HiFi have worked up one of these few days. Let's see the 15-minute. You see, HiFi worked up one of these few days and started boom moving. Okay, of which I think is to still go up. You can still invest on HiFi here, and you will make profit probably 24 hours or 48 hours. Okay, all you just need to do, buy, hold, don't sell until it's left the size you bought to another number. Okay, if you bought at 0.81 now, 8174, and it drove high to 119, 0.1 or 0.9, you have made a lot of profit. Okay, so don't worry, all you just need to do, click on buy. If you click, I'm already holding some of this. I have roughly 48.9 HiFi. I'm already holding some of this HiFi. Okay, so all you just need to do, I have 40 USDT available here. Make sure you put 40 USDT here. If you put 40 USDT here now, how much HiFi will you get? 32 HiFi. Okay, you will get what? 32 HiFi. I bought this HiFi a couple of seconds ago and it was in 0.77, and now it's 0.816, trying to go to another level. You understand? Okay, so all you just need to do, come to this place, input this number and click on buy HiFi, and your HiFi will be bought. Okay, so don't forget, as I'm going to post this video now, if you see this immediately, just dive in and buy. Okay, just dive in and buy, because by 24 hours time or by tomorrow, I'm going to post the profit and how this HiFi is able to go high from where we bought it to another. And as well, mark this gas as well. Okay, mark this gas as well, because we are going to buy this gas as well. Okay, let's see the volume of the gas. We are going to buy this gas as well. So if we buy the gas, take the number 8.34, 8.3, let's just say 8.3. If we buy this gas, I'm going to post the result as well. So make sure you don't lose this opportunity. All you just need to do, buy and hold, sell when you are satisfied with the profit, because it's going to move from this position to either 10, 12, 15, or even more than that. Okay, and all you just need to do in this very place is as well click on buy. Okay, if you click on buy, I have 40 USDT available here. I can just input the 40 USDT. I see I get 4.8. You can see if I get 4.8, don't forget, I will still come back to sell this 4.8 and get like 45 and get like 50 or 60 USD, or even more than that, depending on the market movement. Okay, you can see how it really works. You can as well come back here to check. You can as well come back here to check which one you want to buy. It mustn't be those ones I show you. You can check another, but those ones I showed you right now is very guaranteed. Okay, you can check for another ETH. You can see even ETH now, you can buy it from this place. It will be going up some. Okay, because ETH is been increasing lately. Yeah, BTC as well, but the most guaranteed ones are the ones I showed you because they are deep miners. Okay, so they will be soon be leaving the miners and be going very higher. Okay, if you check it out all over here, this is where these are the hot coin. Okay, if you look at this place are already the gainers. This place are already the gainers, the ZRX and the Rion and the ICX, QI and the others. Okay, wow, this coin really surprised me. This share, what is it called? This coin really surprised me. That's double my money. So, and this place are the losers. Each time you want to buy coin, this is where your mind should first come. Okay, you see, the gas is here and it will soon leave here. Hi-Fi is here and they will soon leave here by God's grace. Okay, and I always check out for a new coin as well. Always what? Check out for a new coin as well, because in this place, new coin is very profitable. Okay, so most times you watch when a new coin is about to be listed, it will be shown in this very place. Okay, it will be showing in this very place. So for the sake of this tutorial, I would not like the video to be too long. I would like to stop here, but before I go, let's click on this meme coin and see where it is. If we can do it, yes, you can as well buy meme coin now. Okay, you can as well what, buy meme coin now. Is going to shoot in the nearest time. Okay, which is already taking its move already. It's going to shoot in the nearest time, so if you can buy it now, just quickly dodge in and buy. So if you can buy this coin now, just quickly dodge in and buy and prepare it for your profit. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you have not done that. Make sure you like my video as well, and also make sure you share my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.